I'm going to be removing some wood ticks off this dog. He just had a bath and the wood ticks are very noticeable on him. When his fur is dry, it's hard to find the wood ticks. So I found, look at those little buggers. I see wood ticks on him that I didn't see earlier when his fur was dry. So we're just gonna go ahead and look for some and remove those wood ticks. It's a lot easier to find them because like his wet fur kind of like spreads the, like, I don't know. Look, there's another one there. Oh, there's two. Oh my gosh. That's cool. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a container. And I got just my tweezers here. So we'll move this one. Oh my gosh, ew. Those gross bloodsuckers. And then we'll remove. Oh, there's one right here too. Do you see that? Oh, I don't like touching these things, but oh, there's three. I mean, there's two. Good boy. And then, where was it? And then there was another one somewhere around here. It's okay, Samson. It's okay. Good boy. There was another one. It was like a smaller one, and I lost it. Ew. Sorry. That's pretty gross. Come on, Samson. We have to remove them. Come on. Okay. So. Look at that. Two right there. Oh, don't do that, Samson. Stop. Okay, so, okay, good boy. So there's two right there. See a small one and then the big one. Ew, I just noticed there's blood on my hands. That is gross. But I'll wipe my hands after. And I'll clean my hands after. I'm trying to find that other wood tick. There was like a small one. Where are you? These are so gross. Okay. These are the wood ticks I found. That guy, get down. Anyways, that one's on there. Look at all those guys. Gross.